afternoon, children. I am continuing the arithmetic progression. In the last class, I solved the problems related to nth term of an AP. Okay. Now I am continuing with the same arithmetic progression. So in this, just go through that statement problems. Okay. Understand the statement, analyze and write down what is given first. Okay. First you write down the given quantities first and then decide which formula we should use to solve or what they asked to find out. Which formula is suitable to find out what they are asked. Okay, this is very important in statement problems. So first what you can do is read the statement properly. Understand, twice or thrice you read it and underline the each sentence. Okay, after underlining the each sentence, then you will come to know that what is given, what they asked and which formula we should use to find out what they are asked. Clear? So drill work some plenty of problems. Okay, after only you will know that how to solve the problem. Clear? Now in this problem, what is the problem is given? The problem is given that determine the AP. Determine the AP whose fifth term. Determine the AP whose fifth term is 19. This is the first statement. Determine the AP. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the AP. Now what is given? They are given that the fifth term is 19. So fifth term means, in pencil you write down A5. Fifth term is 19. That is the one thing. And the difference of the eighth term. Difference of the eighth term, that means A8. Eighth term from 13th. A13th term is 20. So they are given the difference. In the previous statement problems, we have solved that the sum of two terms. So A5 plus A8, like that we are taken. Here they are given that the difference. Okay. So read. Determine the AP. Now, ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು? AP ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 5ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So fifth term is 19. 5ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 8ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ 13ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕಳೆದಾಗ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that is a given thing. So solution, how to solve this? Solution. Solution. First, given you write down. Given is what? A5. Fifth term is 19. And another thing, what they given? A13 minus A8 is equal to 20. This is the thing they are given in the question. So look at this. Difference of the 8th term from the 13th term is 20. So this is A13 minus A8 is equal to 20. Clear? Now make use of this. Make use of this. What you can write on that? A13 minus A8 is equal to 20. So you write down this. Then now A13 can be written as A plus 12D. A plus 12D minus of, see, after minus you should start with the bracket. A8 means A plus 7D is equal to 20. Now a plus 12d minus a, and multiplying this, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus 7d equals 20. Now this plus a minus a get cancelled. Then what is left? 12d minus 7d is 5d equals 20. Then d is equal to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Therefore d value is what? D is equal to 4. D value is equal to 4. So to find out AP, we need A and D. Now D, we know that. Now find out A. For that, use this one. A5 is equal to 19. Then A plus 4 in 4D is equal to 19. Then A plus 4 into 4 equals 19. A plus 16 equals 19. Then A is equal to 19 minus 16. A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. So A value, D value, we know that. Then, so this is the first part, and this is the second part, and third part is writing the AP. After knowing A and D, it is easy to write the AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. etc. That means you should go on adding common difference to A. Okay. Now A is 3, comma 3 plus 4. Here is 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15, etc. etc. So this is a required AP. Here, now look at that. What they are given. What is given? The question, read that. Determine the AP whose fifth term is 19. Fifth term is 19, and the difference of the 8th term from the 13th term is 20. Then finding the AP. See, this is the first term. What you have to write? What is given? You should write. These two things are given. Now first thing is take this part and find out D. Then use this D, take this part and find out A. Then find the AP. Clear? This is how to solve this problem. Now the second problem. The ninth term of an AP. Second problem. The ninth term of an AP. Ninth term of an AP is equal to 6 times its second term. Its second term. Full stop. If the fifth term is 22. Find the AP. Find the AP. Now here also, look at that. The ninth term of an AP is equal to 6 times its second term. Ninth term of an AP is equal to 6 times its second term. If the fifth term is 22, find the AP. Now here also we have to find out the AP. To find out AP, first we should find out A and D using these two things. Okay. Now given, what is given? Ninth term A9 is equal to 6 times its second term. 6 times its second term, like this. And fifth term is 22. So A5 is equal to 22. A5 is 22. Now let us take this one, first part, A9. First we take this. A9 is equal to 6 into A2. Now A9 means A plus 8D is equal to 6 into A plus D. Now A plus 8D is equal to 6A plus 6D. I'm multiplying that. Now shift all these things to this side, then it becomes 6A minus A plus 6D minus 8D is equal to 0. Then 5A minus 2D is equal to 0. This is one equation. 5A minus 2D is equal to 0. Now coming to this part, A5, that means what? A plus 4D is equal to 22. Now consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Clear? Now subtract this one. Means solving a simultaneous equation. Right? Simultaneous equation. We should solve that. Or you can take this as A is equal to 22 minus 4D. Substitution method. So this is equation number 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Now here take the value of A, 22 minus 4D, substitute this value in this. Okay, then what you are going to get? 5 into 22 minus 4D minus 2D is equal to 0. Clear? Here this A value. In place of A, I have written 22 minus 4D. Now multiply this. 5 2s are 10, 1, 10, 1, 11. Minus 5 4s are 20D minus 2D is equal to 0. Now this is what? 20 minus 2, 22. 110 is equal to 22D. Shifting this to this side. Then D is equal to 110 by 22. That is 11 2s are, 11 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So D value is 5. Clear this? Now D value is 5. Substitute that here. A is equal to 22 minus 4 into 5. That is 22 minus 20 is 2. A value is 2. D value is 5. Therefore, AP is what? 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12, 17, etc. etc. Clear this? See? How to solve that? What is given? You should write down that. A9 is given. A9 is 6 times of A2 and A5 is 22. So, take the first part and this is the second. See how to proceed this. This is the second part and this is the third. While writing the classwork, you should do like this, one by one. Don't write what I am written like this. Okay. So this is a what? Finding a AP. The next problem is find A, B and C such that the following numbers are in AP. Following numbers are in AP. Now the number is A. This is not point. A, comma 7, comma B, comma 23, comma C. Now to find out A, B and C, here what method we should use or what concept we should use in this. So for this we should go by the common difference. Because they are in AP, therefore their common difference are same. Now solution. Solution, what is given? 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7. That is equal to 23 minus B. That is equal to C minus 23. I am written directly. If you want, you can take like this. D is equal to 7 minus A, or next term. Here the difference of these two. Next difference of these two. D is equal to B minus 7. Next difference of these two. D is equal to 23 minus B. Next difference of these two. D is equal to C minus 23. So here by looking this, if you are taking these two equal, then we have two variables. So you will not get the one variable value. Therefore, don't take these two. Now coming to these two, here also B and C, two variables are there, so impossible. Then take these two, equate these two first. So I am taking this part. Are you understood? Clear this? See, if they are the given sequences or progressions are AP, then definitely their common differences, any two consecutive terms difference is same. So make use of this concept here to solve the problem. Okay, to find A, B and C, we are using this one. Okay, now here like this, each distance means the differences you are taken separately and then you are joining this. B minus 7 is equal to 23 minus B. Now shifting B one side, B plus B is equal to 23 plus 7. So this 7 goes this side, minus B comes this side. So 2B is equal to 30 and B is equal to 30 by 2. 2 ones are 2 15s are. So B is equal to 15. So one value is clear. B value is 15. Now take this one. So I'm taking this. 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7. Now shift this to this side or substitute the value of B. 7 minus A is equal to 15 minus 7. Then 7 minus A is equal to 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then shift this to this side and to this side. 7 minus 8 is equal to A. Therefore, A value is minus 1. Clear? Understood? Now, here you can take this one. 23 minus B. 23 minus B is equal to C minus 23. Now shift this to this side. 23 minus 15 plus 23 is equal to C. See, I substituted a B value. 15 and minus 23 comes this side plus 23. 23 plus 23, 46 minus 15 is equal to C. Now 6 minus 5 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So C value is 31. Yeah, this is how to find the missing or what they are asked A, B, C value when the AP is given like this. Clear? Now, next. Now, find the 20th term. Fourth problem. Find the 20th term of the AP of the AP whose seventh term is 24 less than seventh term is 24 less than the 11th term. The 11th term, first term being 12. First term being 12. Now look at this question. What is given? Find the 20th term of the AP. Find the 20th term of the AP whose 7th term is 24 less than the 11th term and first term being 12. So clearly it is given. So solution. Find the 20th term. That means A20 is equal to question mark. Whose seventh term, see, look at this, this is very, very important. Seventh term, A7 is 24 less than. So A7 is equal to 24 less means minus. 24 less than the 11th term, A11. So ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ 7ನೇ ಟರ್ಮು 11ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಿಂತ 24 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. A7, 7th term is 24 less than the 11th term. So less than minus, more than plus. Clear? So make use of this. And A, first term is given. A is equal to 12. A is equal to 12. So to find A20, we need common difference only. So in this, write down the common difference or find out the common difference. So how to find out the common difference for this? Now A20. Okay, keep it this one. Let us take this one. A plus 6D is equal to A plus 10D minus 24. Now here this A get cancelled. Now shift this 6 to this side, minus 24 to this side. Therefore 10D minus 6D is equal to plus 24. Then 4D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 by 4. 6. So D value is 6. Now A value knows that and D also we know that. Then what is A20? A20 is equal to A plus 19D. Very simple one. Is it right? Now A20 is equal to, A means first term is 12, 19 into 6. 12 plus 9 6 are 54, 5, 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11. Then A20 equals 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2 and this is 1. So A20 is how much? 126. 126. Clear? So look at that once again. Find the 20th term of the AP whose 7th term is 24 less than the 11th term. First term being 12. So it is given. What is given? First you write down that. Then take the first thing like this. Then second thing is, because A is given. Clear? This is another type of question. Oh, the next concept is the middle term of the AP. Now how to find out the middle term? So they will give you the AP. Then in that AP, how to find out the middlemost term, right? So for that, how to proceed the problem? Now let us take first one. Find the value of the middlemost term. Fifth one, find the value of the middlemost term. Middlemost term or terms of the AP minus 11 minus 7 minus 3 etc 49. So this is the question. Now how to find out this? Now we have to find out the middlemost term. Here look at this. This is a middlemost term or terms. This is very important. Terms or term. If the given number of or given AP having a odd number of terms. Look at this, odd number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd number of terms means you will have one middle term, only one middle term. If it is 8 terms, then here is 4, here is 4, then there is no middlemost term. Okay, in that case, if the AP consisting of even number of terms, then we should take the two middlemost terms. So they have two middlemost terms. That's why the term within bracket yes. So first thing is we should find out how many terms are there in the given AP. How many terms are there in the given AP? So to find the number of terms, that means what we have to find out? We have to find out n. Okay. To find out n, again we are make use of this formula. Solution. Here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We should use this formula. To use this, let us take first a is equal to minus 11 and d is equal to minus 11 minus of minus 7 minus of minus 11. Then d is equal to minus 7 plus 11. Then d is equal to 4. So a value is minus 11, d value is plus 4. So substitute this. Then an is given. Nth term is given, that is 49. So first you write down like this given terms. Then substitute all these things. 1, 2, 3 here. This is 49 equals a means minus 11 plus n we don't know that minus 1 into d. D means what? 4. Are you following? See, like this. Then 49 plus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. Here 49 plus 11 is 60. Okay, by 4 equals n minus 1. Then 4 ones are 4 15s are. So 15, shift this minus 1 to this side, plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 16. See, here this is very, very important. This is even. So, this AP consists of even number of terms. That means 16 terms. So, 16 terms means when you divide that, it becomes 8 and 8. Okay. So, just look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, here is 8 term, here is 8 term. So, there is no middlemost term. That's why now you should take this one. Leave one place like this. So, middlemost, how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. Therefore, n is even. Therefore, we have 2 middlemost terms, that is 8th and 9th term. 8th and 9th term. So, A8 is equal to A plus 70. So, A is what? Minus 11 plus 7 into 4. This is minus 11 plus 28. 8 minus 1 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 8th term is what? 17. And 9th term, A9 is equal to A plus 8D minus 11 plus 8 into 4. That is minus 11 plus 32. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, 9th term, 8th term and 9th term. So, middlemost terms are what? 17 and 21. 17 and 21 are the middlemost terms. So, what is here important? First, we should find out the number of terms. How many terms that AP consists. So, based on that, if n is odd number, then we will get only one middlemost term. If the n is even, then we will get two middlemost term. So, how to find out that? So, this is the way to find out. Okay. Now, this is what the middlemost term. How to find out the middlemost term. Now, let us take one more. Find the middle term of the AP. Find the value of the middlemost term of the AP. So again the same problem. Better understanding, I will doing one more. AP is 213, comma 205, comma 197, etc., etc. And this is 37. So in the previous problem, same to the previous problem, right? Now, first thing is what? So this is the sixth one. Solution. So first, what we should find out? A. A is 213. Then D is equal to 205 minus 213. That is minus 8. Okay. Then AN. Nth term is what? 37. Now use the formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now AN is what? 37 equals A is 213 plus n minus 1 into D value is, look at this, minus 8. So put the bracket. Now shift this one. 37 minus 213 equals n minus 1 into minus 8. Now 10 minus 7 is 3 plus 3 is 6. 0. 20 minus 3 is 17. Right? Whole divided by, here is minus 8 equals n minus 1. See, this get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. 8 2s are 16. 1 8 2s are 16. So 22 minus 1 shifting to this side plus 1 equals n. Therefore, n is equal to 23. So number of terms is odd. Number of terms is odd. So 11 plus 11 is 22. Okay. So on taking a 11 plus 11. So shift this 11 to this side, 11 to this side, then we will get 12 is the middlemost term. So A12 is equal to A plus 11D. That is A is 213 plus 11 into minus 4. Sorry, minus 8. So 213 minus 88. So 8 minus 3, sorry, 13 minus 8 is 5. 20 minus 8 is 12. So A 12. What is that? Middlemost term is 125. Middlemost term is 125. Clear? This is what the concept middlemost term, middle term of the AP. Find the value of the middlemost term or terms of the AP. 213, 205, 197, etc., etc. Clear this? So how to proceed that? First, write down what is given. AP. When the AP is given, in the beginning itself I am telling you, wherever you are seeing the AP, your work first duty is to write down A, D and N. If they given N, you write down, or if they are given AN, then you write down the AN. Clear? So work out this and go through the exercise problems also and reference books. Then you will know that what type of questions are there in the exercises. Clear?